tout le monde. Jeudi, c'est la première vidéo pour cousine moi, Alexandra. Jeudi, on a fait une vidéo qui est un challenge qui est le Smack or Fact Challenge. Jeudi, c'est la première YouTube vidéo que qu'on est, l'on fait dans YouTube ou timide. Mais deuxième vidéo, c'est lui qui parle. Deuxième vidéo, là, il va présenter de tête qui m'ont lié, ça l'a fait de YouTube channel. Mais jeudi, on a fait Smack or Fact Challenge. Présentez tout, madame.
Ok, non pas moi, c'est Alexandre Augustin. Show, ça c'est mon YouTube channel. Moi.
Et non pas, c'est Géraldine Abigail Augustin, moi c'est cousine.
Ok, nous allons commencer.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors. Qu'est-ce qu'on commence à Ok. Ok, qui couleur préférée?
Mauve.
Ok. Oh, oubliez, dis-nous, nous chacun poser 10 questions. Allez,
Ok. Qui couleur vous faites?
Rose. Comment vous plaît et middle name? Comment vous plaît? Abigail.
H-A-B-I-G-A-E-L-L-E.
No.
Oh, it makes it move.
H-A-B-I-G-A-E-L.
G-A-E-L?
G-A-E-L.
Like
No, it doesn't have a double L.
Oh.
This is where we messed up.
Oh.
I want this thing.
Parlez pas.
With me? Okay. That's all good.
Okay. He doesn't live in New York.
I'm not supposed to know that. I'm not supposed to.
Yes.
I'm not supposed to know that.
What on it?
Wait. En juin.
Combien juin?
I don't know.
Combien juin?
You never. Why juin dit ça? You never told me. Oh, année? 2015.
Combien juin?
Ou pas juin dit ça?
Combien juin?
I give up. Combien? Ok.
13. 13 juin.
2 juin, ma frère.
On a. Bon baba, bon plus, ouais. Gars est net.
Is it on my eyes?
No. Tu combien là? Rien sous deux? T'as dit ça me là, yes.
Okay. Who's my favorite parents? My mom or my dad?
Your dad.
Oh my god. Oh god.
À quel âge de New York?
Bitch.
Quel âge de gain?
How old are you?
Quel âge de gain?
You're 28.
No.
So, yes, you is. You 28.
That's not
Wait, let me get something. Take on. So, 23. Who's my first best friend? Yes, parce que moi j'aime qui l'a tenu ici. Yes, this is fair. Yes, moi j'aime qui l'a tenu ici.
Your first best friend?
Qui est-ce qui first best friend?
I don't know.
Yes, my dad.
Oh!
That's my best friend. That's my. I don't care. That's my best friend. I want this side. Okay, I want this side. What? I didn't even smack you. I didn't even.
T'as fait combien de questions au second là, toi?
That's
Not
favorite color. Favorite color. My middle name. 4. 4. What's got here?
Qui mange préféré?
Du riz blanc à sauce poire légumes. Yes! I told you I told her I knew her. Okay. What's my type? Ki type. Okay, ki type mwen, ki garçon preferi. Mwen men moun ki wo, moun ki average, ou soit moun ki koute.
Tu veux me dire ça pour me?
I don't know.
Mono.
Dang. That's 5. 5 more questions for me.
Qui je préfère? I'm serious.
Smoothie or juice? Smoothie?
Smoothie, yeah. En avant.
Joumou.
No. Et puis, je me dis qu'on fait strawberry.
Yes, sure. I got it.
No, joumou, chérie. Joumou. Et après, puis, qu'on joumou. En avant.
Wait, mais on t'a qu'à changer. Il va peut-être
En avant.
Don't hit this. Don't put it on my eyes. Don't pop up. I bet it nothing. Do not put it on my hair.
I'm a phone. Sit there. Okay.
You put it on my eyes.
Même qui passe. Dentro va bouger figo. Ada va bouger où? Mais du
Super.
Wow. Moi regarde ouais, mbi mal maso.
Oh, see, I look like a clown. Look. Okay. Okay. Do I like my acrylics, my tips? Do I like them short, medium, or long? My nails.
Why is short to fail?
Okay, that doesn't mean I like it short.
No.
I like my acrylics long or extra long. I do them short though. I do them short because I play volleyball. I don't want the ball to break my hand. So,
Okay.
so I make them short, but I like my yes. I want to get them in a full head. Oof, so they can see.
Never.
No, I should be. Let me put it. No, this face because it doesn't have that much of this one. Okay. See, I didn't even smack it. I really just put the part in there.
Okay.
That's
Did
6.
put me
Question
a
6. That's question 6. Okay.
À quel âge je l'ai fait bébé?
How old is he?
I don't know.
That's it. It's either ou te fait like 20 ans ou 21 ans.
Nope. 19, almost 20.
That's what I just
You
said.
said 20 and 21.
I was just about to say 19.
No.
I got it right though.
Nope.
Yes?
Nope. You said 20 and 21.
Come on now. Don't put that much
Too
now.
much?
Come on now.
Oh, sorry.
Give me some. I can smack you.
Et vous coulez.
Do not put it on my eyes now. Come on.
Okay.
Did you put it on my hair?
No. Almost. No.
That looks like a clown right now.
Le design en fait la figure. On a fait design.
Oh! That's not fair.
No.
That's
What's the question, chérie?
Wait, you put so much now.
Come. Comme ça, pourquoi on est comme ça? On a
Okay.
9 minutes.
Alright. Okay. That was question 6, right? Do I like light skin or dark skin? Or
Light.
white?
Light. Oh. Ça va, c'est.
I like dark skin. I'm already light. My dad is light skin. You think yes, I like dark skin.
Okay.
Call my best friend Alyssa right now. I like dark skin.
Okay.
I'm not capping. I'm like, oh God, I like dark skin. But if I found a light skin that want to do something to me, I would take it.
What's that? Yes, so did I.
I want this one. Okay. I want to get it on your neck.
My neck, my man.
Oh, show them. That's so cute. Cute art.
Okay.
Cute.
Oui, même question. Qui couleur, maman?
Dark skin.
You sure?
Yes.
Bon, mon exemple.
Maxine. Got it. Okay, 3 more questions, y'all. 3 more. One question. What's my favorite subject? Is it math? Where my favorite be easy go? Is it math, ELA, English? Okay, is it math, English, or science?
Math. Okay. That was the
Why would you get my 8 if I'm number 8?
Qui m'a machine down again?
What the fuck? I'm a Mercedes. No. It's not a Mercedes.
What
It's a Jeep. It's a Jeep.
You sure? They do that? Another comment.
Damn, I really look like a clown, y'all.
Oh
God.
Moi, on fait plus faire design que me faire design pour vous.
Look at this. Who look worse, y'all? Come on down. Come here. Get your ass. Who look worse? Me or her? Comment down below. Comment, please.
Non. Ferme bouche. Ma pas habitué.
I want to put it between this. Come on now, man.
Mais avancez non trop loin. Maman,
Where are you gonna put it?
do between you between. Allez,
Wait. What's your favorite? What's your dream car?
Par exemple, son ami, non?
You never told. That's cheating. You never told me that.
No.
You.
No. Come écoutez là.
Please help me.
N'est du fermer bouche, madame ba au toi au comme ça, nous n'est du bitouille. Madame va fermer bouche. Vous en nous oubliez. Peut-être.
You got on my eye.
Vini.
Yeah, she did me dirty. I got you. Do I like when my man play football or basketball?
Both.
No,
Which one?
basketball.
Vous déjà me dire ça?
Did you ever tell me what's your dream car?
Okay.
I'm gonna between. Between. You better close your eyes.
What about your photo? Okay.
Don't open your eyes. Close it. Don't open it. All right, open it.
Okay. One more or 2 more?
2 more.
Qui maison préférée? M'dame acheter les vamos acheter. Qui genre de caille?
A big
house or big house or
A big house.
big house?
Yes.
So
Well,
family house.
Exactly, a big house.
2 family.
You didn't. No, no. Pick another
Ou
question.
te dit ça là, ou te dit qui question te se poser non. But I made him on the
No, this is not fair. Because she did not tell. You said family house. She didn't tell me her dream house, her dream car. This is not, no. This is not. Yeah, okay, wait. Let me speak to them. Yeah, she never told me that she wanted a. You first of all, you said family house, big house. Big house is a family house. What are you talking about?
2 family.
You didn't say 2 family and the puzzle.
Même votre côté m'a fini.
Okay, ask another question.
No.
Ask another question.
No.
This is fair, y'all. This is fair. I'm gonna ask another question if you don't know.
Ou te gen tan bay mwen? Ou te gen tan fè lui? Ça ko va poser mon lot.
This is not fair. Do not put it on my eyes no more, because my eyes are watering, right? She actually giving me an art. You drawing an art piece on my face? No, it doesn't need. No, it doesn't need anything. Did you get in my hair? Because we finna fight. What do you want? You better not put.
Okay, my bad, my bad. Okay. Mwen wè a di kon fè bouze. A on mwen fèk se treve. Fèk se treve mwen wè. Mwen jambi.
Alright, I got you. Okay. We got one more question or 2? We got 2 more, right?
One more.
One more? Okay. What's my dream car?
Kia.
Nope. Oh no, that's not my dream car.
Hey,
call my dad right now. Kia, you wanna call my dad? You wanna call my dad? No. My dad gonna buy me a Kia. But that's not my dream car. You wanna call dad?
Ki no dream car.
No.
Ki no.
No.
Ki no.
It's Mercedes.
Mercedes?
Yes.
Mercedes.
What? Let's call my dad, y'all. No. See, I wanna.
What to put on?
Because that's the last question. I want to put it the same way you put it. You better close your goddamn lips. You ready? I'm sorry, I didn't need to. I'm sorry.
Okay, no, je vini.
We're done.
No.
You think?
You're good. Okay, last question. Sit down. Ok. Combien de monde avez et combien de filles, combien de garçons?
2 filles, 2 garçons.
Yo content de voir ça.
No more last.
You want a bonus question?
You want a bonus question?
Okay.
Bonus question.
How much? 1 or 2?
1.
I'm buying you into it?
Yeah.
Oh.
We each got one. Go first. I know I'm still thinking about mine.
Me too.
Bro.
Dedication more la trop facile.
Bruh, I really do not know.
Yeah, ok. Ki bon mda reme a vizite? Nan ki peyi? Pou konen mda reme a vizite, le m fek wa vizite peyi?
What the bomba clock this na dog? G.
connais?
Yaraswa.
Ça veut dire? Qui bon? Ouais, on est? T'as l'air de boire trop facile. Ouais, on est?
Let's call Maxime right now.
Oh, mais Maxime, ça va le dollar. Alors, vous pouvez répondre. Mettez? Oh, voilà,
Fuck you.
ok. No.
Wait, what is it? Wait, let me think.
Texas.
You didn't even.
Never.
Texas is next to Georgia, bro.
Never.
How do you want to go? That's
Wanna
not.
go
Wait,
there.
first of all, Texas is not even a country. Texas is in America. So what are you talking about?
Okay, I'm going to.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Texas is in America.
Okay.
Let me think about mine. Meanwhile.
Okay, keep on down me à la Chionkai.
Oh, I know.
Where?
Connecticut.
Connecticut?
Yes.
No. I
No.
don't like it.
Jesus. Last time you said Connecticut.
No, just my uncle. Talk about that. But
Where?
I don't like it.
Georgia,
No.
Boston.
Pennsylvania.
This is not.
Oh my God, I sit down. Never.
See, I should have never. Stop to give me a bonus question. Miss, no. Wait, let me
Okay,
turn
no
around. No.
problem.
You don't have to hold my hair. This is the hair that was coming out. Come on now, you don't have to hold that.
Como vai vestir?
Let me give her one question. Let me give her one question. Where?
What?
Where?
Oh.
Where? Que hotel?
N'importe côté, hein? Pas une bague, espace encore. Fais beijo, cérebro, fais beijo, bouchou, fais beijo. Oh, o barulho que fica malado não vai para boucher, je vais, meu. Não. O que é faire um jogo, não? Oi, lá, meu, o café é um jogo com 100 mil. Oh, 100 mil, vai lá. Oh, meu Deus, tô. Não, vamos dar minha questão. O beijo. Aí consegue descer se tá treinando nele. O beijo.
Oh.
You pretty. Me too. Isn't that something? You want to let it? Bastante amor. Não vou mal demaquillar. Dernière question.
It went into my mouth. Okay.
Where do I want to enter? Non, ne me pour passer l'autre dans bouche. Quand arrêter?
Where do I want to live? Georgia, California.
Georgia.
Nope.
Oh, Abby.
No, that's not true. Call my dad right now. Call my dad.
Georgia réveillé.
No.
Tout en parle de Georgia.
Nope. It's California.
Jésus, papa.
Call dad right now.
Ok, maman dad là.
You in that smack. You right.
Femme fort.
Miss. Send him right now. No, I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be fair because I don't think y'all actually saw the smack that I gave her. And y'all actually saw the smack that she gave me.
Non, moi ça va faire back. Bon camper. Toi t'es boss. Bon camper là.
Turn around because I want to show them.
Back.
You better close your eyes and your lips because it's gonna go down. Why? That's You look like the. Tell me, y'all. Come on down below. She looks like the emoji that when they're mad, like you see smoke coming out her nose.
I am the Mila, Tito Fache. What?
Let's take a picture.
D'accord. It did.
No, you
Yeah,
felt?
the powder went all the way in my mouth. See, we sacrifice our face for y'all. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Share, please. Tell your mommy, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your friend, your family to subscribe down below. Hit that bell notification and comment down below what challenge, what other video we should try.
Okay, Alexandra Augustin show.
But anyway, let's
you next
translate.
time.
No, let's translate. Nous sacrifions toute figi nous pour nous. So please, subscribe,
Abonné.
Abonné.
Partager, like.
comment. How do you say it? Comment. How do you say comment? Comment down below. And share video. N'oubliez que là, pardon. And share video. Yam konen. Et premier vidéo nous va comment nous actually sembler parce que ça dans figure nous va concentrer sur nous. C'est nous sommes qui va un souci dit tout.
Nous sommes là pour le téléphone.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, bye y'all.
Bye.